I'm getting attacked by these warlords.
Babe, videotape me.
No, I'm not touching them. Artie, they're coming close. Okay, give me the lead. Ah, Dad, I don't like this. I don't like it.
Just look at you.
Get a picture quick.
You're stepping on.
It's fine.
No, it's not. Oh, he took it. No, Dad, they're coming after me. Dad, they're coming after me. Dad, I don't like this one little bit. Mom! Stupid iguana. This is the worst experience of my life.
Poker shoe.
I just threw him on the ground.
What's out behind you, Diane? Behind you, Diane. No, behind you. You're about to step on this guy's face.
Jackie, videotape me.
Diane, they're coming for you, man. Look out. Drop it. Drop it. Diane, look behind you. To your right. To your right. Okay. Look what you've done. Look at they're staring you down.
Dad, I don't like this at all. Give me your lead. No. Why did I come here?
Alright, you ready?
Oh no. Look what Maddie just did. Oh man.
Wait, I went.
Come closer.
Mom,
Diane, look behind you.
You've had enough. Can I have shit on?
Put it high in the sky. He can smell it. Diane, put it over your head, you dummy.
Give it to me. Mom, give it to me. Give it to me. Just throw it at him.
Oh no, don't do that. Don't do that.
Don't get me. Hey.
Because I want to walk by him.
Maddie, give them the freaking food. You do it. I don't like it.